6, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Never felt this far from home. Never left a love so strong. Now the world is stuck on pause, yeah. 'Cause without you, motion's gone. And I hope this don't sound wrong, yeah. But the days seem twice as long. And the pain just don't feel right, no. If it's mine alone, and maybe you sit at the window waiting. Maybe bad things just repeat, then rewind. Maybe the truth is the walls are caving in. Just say it, say it, so. Say it, so.
What's up? Yo, what's up?
I can tell you something more, but you tell me, do you wanna talk about? You say you got a lot on your mind, sit down, let's talk about. I hate to see you feel this way, so tell me, what can I do to make it better for you, make it better for you, babe? Hey,
What's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up?
Now, baby, tell me what I gotta do to get you to talk about. 'Cause we've been together a little too long for you not to talk about. Oh, so tell me, what do you like me to do to help you, help me, help you? 'Cause I don't really wanna chill without you. Tell me why.
What's up? What's up? Went from my niggas serving it by the telly to venues in Manchester, just swerving with Balotelli. The fuck you trying to tell me? Bothers me when you gotta play therapist. That shit's embarrassing to even bring up. These niggas make the comparison. They just gotta forgive me. This watch is a 150. Still ain't got the time for a bitch that be acting iffy. Running through the city with niggas I give a kidney, selling under 150. You niggas gotta be kidding. Is this even still a discussion? Don't you ever wake up disgusted? Every million I gain an enemy or a cousin, and people's feelings have changed ever since I became something. Girls are becoming ladies, and my friends are having babies, and babies are dropping dead in my city. This shit is crazy. And I don't know if speaking on it helps. This is shit that's on my mind. I just keep it to myself, you know?
Can you talk to me? Let's talk about